I'm remodeling things, I'm reworking things, and I'm feeling pretty good about it. I downsized one shop and I'm putting everything in here, cut the bar out. You'll get a tour of that later on, but in this video, I'm about to unbox and put together this Vevor workbench right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what I need you to do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. Or I will be making videos like this all the time because I'm back. All right, so a while back, Vevor had hit me up and they wanted to do a collaboration, and I'm like, cool, let's do it. So they sent me like the press, like it was like a swing away or something. I'm like, it's not something that I would recommend, not really my style. I checked out the hat press. I'm like, maybe we can do the hat press. But I'm like, you know what? Let me see what else y'all got. Y'all got a lot of stuff under this brand. So let me take a look around and see what else you guys got that I could possibly use that people will also find useful. And I said, you know what? I'm tired of looking at these portable tables. I got the 6-foot portable tables. Y'all know, 6-foot print shop. If you haven't gotten started or you want to get started, all you need is a 6-foot portable table and a heat press. And you can get this whole thing rolling, right? So I teach that in the class, 6-foot print shop. It's one of the entry-level classes, whatever the case is. So I'm big on a portable table. But when you design something, you put a storefront together, you put a nice effort into your work area, you don't want to just always see that, right? That's get you started when I was in the basement, whatever. So I'm remodeling everything. Right now, you guys can see the press has finally been moved over here. I'm going to give you guys a tour in another video, probably over on the Decorator By Nature channel. But nonetheless, I'm downsizing from the last shop, and I kind of redid everything. So I'm like, you know what? I don't want to bring that portable table over here that I usually use to fold shirts. So I grabbed this bad boy right here, man, and I think this is going to be a great multi-purpose table, right? It's heavy duty. Get into some more of the features, but it's heavy duty. I can put a heat press on it if I got like extra help in pressing or whatever the case is, or I can use it for folding or whatever else I may use it for. And I can use those portable tables for going out to events and vending. But this is going to look the part. It's going to fit in a lot better. So I'm about to go ahead and unbox it right now, and we can discuss the features. All right, guys, so I spared you guys me taking it all out of the box and all of that kind of stuff. I actually didn't hit record and I just realized it. But nonetheless, we are here. I got everything out. You know, typically I do not use the instruction with a lot of stuff. It just gives me so much anxiety. But I don't even have a picture on the box to even tell me what this thing looks like. I guess I could put one up on the computer and I can try to figure it out. But I'm just going to go about this the right way today. And we're going to take a look. So I told you guys I was going to talk to you guys about the features. Let's get it all put together, and then let's do that after it's all said and done. So here goes nothing. All right. All right, so let's take a look. I'm standing behind the table right now. This table is dope. It has wheels, okay? So you have two options when it comes to how you want to finish the bottom. You can put like these stand foot. They don't move around. You kind of, if you want it in a sturdy place, it's going to stay there forever. As you know, everything here is on wheels. So the press is on wheels, the dryer is on wheels, this is on wheels, the old bar was on wheels, the closet is on wheels. So a lot of things in here I like to move around depending on what I'm doing. I think I got a pretty solid state here of where I'm gonna kind of like be working and stuff like that. So you have those two options, which makes it pretty cool. They have a few different sizes of this table. I'm probably gonna get another one. So my logic was thinking over there where I was gonna put this, it was a smaller area in the window originally. So this was kind of like, let me get one of these and then I'll probably get another one, which will be the longer one to put on the other wall. But this is actually perfect because it'll probably fit right here. And then when I do get the longer one, it'll either go by the door as a folding area next to where the B&20 is right now, or it'll go in front of the dryer area once I move the refrigerator and I kind of get everything positioned. But I think I'm close to where I want to be. Next, On the sides of this thing, you have these little grid boards that you can actually put these little hooks in. And so if I wanted to hang, let's say, a little spatula here. This one don't have, or do got a hole. All right, wanted to hang my little spatula on the side there. I can do that, which makes this perfect for me to use over here by the ink. I gotta get some type of protective coating, so I don't want to destroy it with ink and stuff like that, because that will definitely do it. They gave you a bunch of these things, so I'll hold on to those. Now, either I did something terribly wrong, or they gave a lot of extra pieces. I'm gonna err on the side that they gave me a lot of extra pieces, because I did use the instructions on this go around, and I don't feel like I left anything out, and that's pretty cool. So the last dope feature about this thing here is that it has an outlet on the side of it that you can plug up so you can get quick access. Now, I probably wouldn't plug a heat press into this, right? Plug this into the wall and plug a heat press into this. I would plug the heat press directly into the wall, but we human sometimes, you know, hey, maybe this has to reach behind something, through something, next to something, but you can plug your laptop in, charge. It has actually USB ports. It would have been super dope if it was the new USB-C ports, but nonetheless, it has the outlet on the side. It is a sturdy table, okay? I'm on it right now. I'm ready to take a nap after all of my hard work. So it's a sturdy table, so this could definitely, I'm 185 right now, so this could definitely hold a heat press for you. So this is a cool find, and like I said, they have a few different sizes. So if you want to get one of these bad boys, go ahead down in the description below and check out the link. That will be an affiliate link down there if you want to get a table from Vevor, and you know, that's your way of supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. So I have it linked up down in the description. Yeah, or if you want to use Vevor.t-shirt side hustle, that'll be an affiliate link if you go buy anything from their website. I went different. I didn't want to go with the heat press. I may get the hat press later on down the line. They got some other cool things that I think are cool for a shop. One of the other things I was looking at was the whiteboard that you can stick on the wall, so you can write your stuff down. And they got big, different sizes, but they got big ones of those too. So that's pretty dope as well. This thing, I'm pretty sure will live right over here somewhere. I may lower it a little bit, but I'm digging that right there, and it looks amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, welcome back. Let me know what you think down in the comments. This has been your boy Stan Basement T-shirt Side Hustle. Peace.
The T-shirt Side Hustle team would like to give a huge shout out to its contributing members.